Hello everybody. My new adventure in wet cell building. I'm going to build this right here. I've already put it together just trial fit to get all my dimensions proper. Now, like I said, this will be a wet cell. It is 5 sections. There's one here, 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 and here. Plate here, here, one right here, one in the middle, and one right here for my anode and cathode, with 5 neutral plates in between them. So I will basically have 3 positive, 2 negative, and the power will come in through these posts. And I'm going to show you how that works here, because I'm going to disassemble this so you can see how it's put together. It is a little bit complex. Took a little bit of time to get it set up, but now it is set up. I can disassemble this and show you. This is all out of stainless steel. Stainless steel washers, nuts. The through rods are stainless steel that I built. And you'll see the insulating system that I have built to make this all work. 2 of these go to the positive and these 2 go to the negative, or vice versa, however one wants to hook it up. You can see I have 2 small insulators here. These will go to the 2 middle plates, and these touch right here and go to the 3 outer plates. So we will get into this and start taking it apart. These are all insulators that I made. They happen to be made out of this PVC pipe that I put in my lathe and cut off little sections off of it to give me my little washers. These are 95 to 100 thousandths thick. That's what I'm going to space my plates at. So as you can see, here is one of my things to go through the plates and touch this plate down here. This is the other one. It takes the first plate, and these are longer, which go down to the middle plate, and that's where I get the contact there via the top plate, middle plate, bottom plate. Little ones go to the first plate and the third plate. That one don't want to come out yet, so we'll just keep taking this apart. I gotta keep these plates in order, otherwise they won't go back together right. So now here is where these little ones would contact. This is my next anode cathode plate right here. This goes on through down to this second plate down here. So when I sandwich this bolts together, this makes contact. This happens to be a small stainless steel tube with a cover over it, which happens to be shrink tube, electrical shrink tube. Put it on there, shrink it down, and trim off the ends, and I get my contact through the steel tube and it insulates. So we keep taking this apart. Smaller holes so it makes contact. And here is the other big bushing that goes between this plate and the fourth plate. This one here goes down to the second plate from the first plate. So we keep disassembling this. And you get an idea how it goes together. Now we're coming down to my next anode-cathode plate, positive or negative plate. Said this one here, contact the first plate here. Now it will make contact right here on this plate when it's bolted together. So that's would be stack 2, and like I said, here's smaller holes that fit around that so it makes contact. Now we're back into our neutral plates again. Took me several days to get this built up and all these spacers at the right dimension that I needed. And here comes that other spacer there. And we're back to the last of the internal positive negative plates right here. This is the last of the neutral plates that are in there. A lot of little pieces in this one. There's my last little spacer. And the last plate happens to be this one. So you can see this rod has that bushing on it. That's insulated there to insulate against that plate. This one's not insulated. It contacts this plate and transfers to the middle one and to the end one. So my cables will mount on here. This one being insulated. So, give you an idea of this next project. I will make another video after I clean these, and I show you my next little idea. So I thank you for watching. Said you can see all the pieces, and it is quite the mess, but it will all come together. Thank you, and catch the next video.